MOKU LEHUA.
This is a special mele. Back in 1977, when Nā Pualei went to their first Merry Monarch, their kumu, Nā Pualei O Likolehua Heine, had tasked each girl to write their thoughts in a journal. Based on these thoughts, they composed the mele for their ka'i. And this was to introduce Nā Pualei O Likolehua to Merry Monarch and to the people of Hilo. I was very fortunate that I was able to travel with hālau, because at that time I was only 11 years old, but I remember everything. And that was our first competition to Merry Monarch. So PANA'EWA, and just the specialness of it, because every single girl within hālau put their mele, their thoughts into this mele. And later in the years, my mother ended up choreographing it as a hula for Hawaii Island.
LEHUA.